Hello YouTube, it's the Two Coolest 2. Today is July 22nd, 2018, at approximately 2:35 a.m. in the morning. And for those of you that live in the tri-state area in the Northeast, this wind, you know, there's a big coastal system that moved up the East Coast during the day, and now it's here. And you just see and hear this wind. It's extremely strong and heavy rain coming down. The rain is just lighting up a bit, but it was heavy about 5 minutes ago, extremely heavy. It's just coming down, right? Just heavy winds. For those of you who don't know, I'm in Brooklyn, New York. I haven't made a video in a while. I figured this would be a good storm to make a video. And I haven't seen winds like this since, you know, the winter. We had snowstorms and whatnot. So it's nice to see a local storm. And you get this maybe in a moment or two during another storm, but this has been happening all night. I want to step out there. My shoes and get soaked. I guess I'll do it for a moment. You see all the limbs of the trees. Let's go over here. Just hear that wind. Extremely powerful. You see everything in the trees. All leaves, small branches. So there's you have wind advisories. You have, I don't know if it's like a gale warning for the wind. There's coastal flood advisories. You have coastal flood statements. There's also rip currents statements out. So this big coastal storm. Got that guy in the cover here. So again, it's about 2:30 in the morning. The storm's supposed to last throughout the night. 2 inches of rain, a few hour periods. So it's a pretty good amount of rain coming down. It's also pretty cool out. I think it's in the upper 60s right now and the lower 70s. It's pretty cool for a summer night. The storm has definitely reduced the temperature. And absolutely no one outside. No cars, no people or anything. So, you know, people are huddled inside this Saturday night. Good night to relax. So the big thing in this storm again is the wind. Worry about limbs falling down and whatnot. That limb right there is making me nervous. It's like, I usually never notice it, maybe because all the leaves are falling off. I think I'll head in the street for a moment and just show you. Looks like no one's out. So everyone's inside. It's Saturday night. Relaxing. And I'm about to go inside and do the same. Alright YouTube, thanks for watching. Check out more of my weather videos right here on my channel. It's probably the only one we'll do tonight. It's almost 3 a.m. I'm just gonna head to bed. Well, actually I do see someone out in the distance. Trying to get home. Alright, again, please check out more weather videos right here on my channel. Rate, comment, subscribe. Stay safe, stay warm. Have a good night, guys. Bye-bye.